How to fix Atomic Heart not launching, crashing, stuttering and freezing issue on PC. 1. Disable flawless widescreen. FYI, there is no inbuilt field of view, FOV, slider in the Atomic Heart game, at the time of commenting. Anyway, you dude may try installing the flawless widescreen mod manually. 2. Disable the scanning. Fix option in the Flawless Widescreen application. Note, you may download the Flawless Widescreen application at https://www.flawlesswidescreen.org. 3. Add DX11. Into Atomic Heart's launch options. Like this. 4. Update your game in time, install any official patch when it's available.